Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is the poem Bird Bath, and only one lesson is remaining. So I have taken the revision also. We have done lesson number 14 or lesson for all. A lesson for all we have done. Okay. So we have done all the question answers of the lesson number 14. But lesson number 15 means this is a poem, Bird Bath. Okay, very small poem. So today we are doing, and one lesson is remaining, write your own story. 16. Up to 16 lesson you have to do in the first terminal exam. Okay. Last period I have given you letter, essay is done, essay and letter. Okay, so you have to learn by heart. So it is very important from examination point of view. So today we are doing Bird Bath, the poem, very small, only 3 stanzas are there, and up 16 lesson after that. Okay. So I'll recite the poem first. Bird Bath. In our garden, we have made such a pretty little pool, lined with pebbles neatly laid, filled with water clean and cool. When the sun shines warm and high, robins cluster round its brink. Never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Then they splash and splash and splash, spattering little showers bright all around, till off they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Okay, so this is a poem. So what is there in the garden? Such pretty little pool for the bird bath. Bird ko bath karne ke liye. So what is this poem? This is a very small poem. See the picture. Garden is there and one bird pool is there in the water, and the birds are enjoying bathing in the pool. See this picture. See, this is the garden and this is the pool, and the birds are enjoying bathing in the pool. Bird bath. Okay. So very small poem, only 3 stanzas are there. So we will see. Bird Bath is a beautiful poem written by Evelyn Stein. Evelyn Stein. Writer's name Evelyn Stein. S-T-E-I-N, Stein. So paints a picture of her garden. Evelyn, she paints a picture of her garden. The poetess, she paints picture of her garden on a summer day. Which season is there? Summer day. When robins stop by to quench their thirst. When robin bird, they will stop and they quench their thirst. Okay. उनकी प्यास उनको प्यास लगती है, तो उनकी प्यास बुझाने के लिए वो they will just stay in the summer season to quench their they will stop to quench their thirst. In the poet's garden, see, there is a very pretty pool of cool and clean water. छोटा सा pretty सा pool, उसमें clean और cool water है. During summer, when it is very hot, you know, as summer is a very hot season. So when it is very hot, the robins gather around the pebbled brink of the pool. Pebbles means छोटे छोटे वो जो ये रहते ना white color के we say in Marathi दगड, pebble, गोट्या. So see the picture, pebbles are there. See the white pebbles. So the robins, the bird robins, gather around the pebbled brink of the pool. Usually they are never seen near the pond. Pond के usually नहीं दिखते, but on hot summer days they fly by with a quick light flapping on the wings. When they fly by with a quick light flapping on their wings to beat the heat and sip the cool water. Beats the heat means heat से सामना करने के लिए, उनको heat से protection मिलने के लिए. Okay, they splash the water all around, creating a beautiful picture, covering the area all around with bright water droplets. Blissful with the experience, they fly very high. They were flying very high, singing sweet songs. They sing sweet song as they were flying. They were singing also. Okay, which expresses their sense of happiness and contentment, which shows that the robin birds, they are very happy. Okay, see this last line. All around till of they flash, singing sweetly their delight. Okay, because they were very happy, singing sweetly their delight. They sing sweet song which expresses their sense of happiness, their sense of contentment. Okay. So this is the poem Bird Bath. Very small, very simple poem, only 3 stanzas are there. So rhyming words are there. Okay, made, laid, pull, pull, brink, drink. Okay. Splash, S-P-A-L-S, splash, flash, bright, delight. These are the rhyming words of the poem. You know the rhyming words. So, first question. The poem has rhyming words at the end of the line. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words in each stanza. So, first question, we'll write the answer. First question is, write the rhyming words. Question number 1. Write rhyming words. Write down. You have to write down. Okay. Rhyming words of the poem. It's very simple. We are writing rhyming words. First, pull, pull. Very easy. Third, high, by. Bring, drink. We are bring. Splash, splash. Imperfect is splash, splash. Number 6 is bright, delight. Bright, delight. That's the right words of the poem. Question number 1 answer. Now question number 2 is the meaning of the following words in the poem. The meaning. Question number 2 I write down is the meaning of the following words. So write the meaning. 4 words are given. Lean, L-I-N-E. First word is lean. Meaning I am writing here. Take pebbles and outline of pebbles. Around the pool. The first one. Okay. And the second one. First one is first one. Second one is clusters. C-L-U-S-T-E-R. Cluster. A small group. Bring. H. Here I bring. H. Last one is flash. Fly. Fly. Great. Question number. Next question. Question number 3. We write the following lines in the words. The following lines. Never one comes right on the line. Never. Never one comes flying by. Never one comes flying by. Flying by, but will flutter down. But will flutter down. Flutter down. To drink. This is the line. You have to write the line, explain the line in your own words. The explanation of line. See, this is never one comes flying by, but will flutter down to drink. Drink. This is your line. So explanation of line and line. The poet is every stand E A L is sharing same sharing is sharing the site in the garden. The site in the garden on summer days. On summer days. It's not usual visitors. Not usual visitors. Not usual visitors. The robins visit the pool. The robins visit the pool. Only in summer. In summer. Quench its first. Quench. 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 Its first. Yes, I stick first. And beat the lid. And beat the lid. This is the explanation of this line. Okay. And beat the lid. See, the poetess Agnes Stein is sharing the site in the garden on summer days. Full stop. Not usual visitors, comma. The robins visit the pool only in summer to quench its thirst and beat the heat. Okay. So this is the question answers of this poem. Remaining question answers we will do in the next video. Okay. Two more questions are remaining. We will do in the next video. Okay. Bye. Write down up to this. Question number 3, line number 1. Line number 1. And question number 4, 5 is remaining. We will do in the next video. Second line is also question number 3 is remaining. So we'll do in the next time. Okay. Bye.